Imagine a world where women fears walking alone not because of darkness but because of society. This is not a fiction. This is reality. Today, I Suresh stand before you to speak about harsh truth, crime against women. A crisis continue to challenge humanity itself. Crime against women is not just statistics, it is a story of fear, pain, and broken dignity. Crime against women refers to the act of violence, abuse, or harassment directed towards a woman simply because of their gender. It includes crimes like domestic violence and sexual harassment, rape, trafficking, and dowry related abuse. These crimes not just harm individuals, they weaken families, society, and a future of a nation. Let's look at some harsh realities. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 3 women globally experience physical or sexual violence in their lifetime. In India, data from National Violence Records Bureau shows that the more than 4 lakh cases of crime against women are reported annually. That means more than 40 crimes every year. And remember, these are only reported cases. The reality is far darker. The crime against women takes many forms. Domestic violence, when home become a place of fear. Sexual harassment, when safety in public spaces becomes disappear. And human trafficking, when our lives are sold like commodities. Cyber crimes, where harassment enters digital world. No place is completely safe, not not house, not street, not even the internet. Uh, these crimes leave deep scars, not just physical but emotional and psychological. They destroy confidence, limit opportunities, and create a culture of fear. When a woman is unsafe, society is unsafe. A nation that cannot protect its women cannot protect its future. So, what can we do? Raise awareness and speak up. Empower women socially and economically. Educate boys about respect and equality. Because reality does not come in a courtroom, it comes from our house, schools, and mindset. And at the end, I'm just going to say that let's make a world where women can live without fear and live with freedom because it is not a privilege, it is a fundamental right. Thank you.